Happy morning, happy afternoon, happy evening to all my Nanbas and Nanbis. I often hear students telling, and even I've heard when I was a student, keep strategic management to the end or skip those chapters. Focus fully on financial management. In the last few days, you can touch upon strategic management. SM is a very boring subject. All of these things, even I have heard when I was a student. Now, we will go 100% by ICA. ICA has allocated 50 marks for strategic management subject. That means all the 5 chapters need to have equal importance in your life as much as you give importance to financial management. If you allocate 50 hours for FM, allocate the same 50 hours for strategic management also. Now, I will tell you one thing. SM is a subject where you always use in your day-to-day life. It is not like something you're learning something new here. It is always there in your day-to-day life. How, ma'am, you can tell like that? Now, you all think with me. How did you select this CA course? What is the reason for you to select this CA course? Did somebody come and tell you this is a very good course? Or you saw somebody who've been doing really well in their career? So all these are external influences who made you take this course. Now, just because if somebody is coming and telling you that CA is a very difficult course, but if you finish this, your life is going to be settled, somebody would have definitely told you this. Just because he said that, did you take this course? No. You also saw within yourself, do you have the heart to finish this course? Do you have the mind to finish this course? Do you have the willpower to finish this course? You did the internal analysis to understand whether you will be capable to finish this course in this time period. Did you not have any other choice in front of you? You had doctor as your choice, MBBS as your choice, BCom as your choice, CA as your choice, but still you selected the chartered accountant to be that choice in your life and you proceeded forward because you got the form from ICA Institute. Nowadays everything is online. You fill that form and you have submitted, you have implemented the strategy that you undertook. This is all that you are going to study here. See here, all the 5 chapters, you start off with introduction and then you see the external environment, what is happening around you. Then you see the internal environment, your heart, your mind, your willpower. Then you make the right choice between the choices which is available in front of you. And then you implement that particular choice and evaluate. I started off thinking that by this year I will finish CA. Have you finished CA? What is the point? What is lacking? Evaluation also is compulsory. Now, these 5 chapters, you tell me, is this something new that you are learning? You have already implemented all of these in your life itself. For any case scenario, any scenario where some strategy is involved, even girlfriend and boyfriend, you want to go and propose to a girl, you will see, does she already have a boyfriend? External environment checking, does she have a strong brother who's going to the gym? Internal environment, do you really want her? How many girls are there in the class? Why did I select only her? The choice that you have to make. And finally going and giving the love letter, the implementation of that choice. And evaluation, it will happen at a later stage. Any case that you take will fall under these 5 points only. Anything and everything, guys. Now, SM is actually a really interesting subject if you know how to learn the subject. You have to correlate each and everything either with the existing business or with your life itself. And trust me, you'll start loving the subject like anything. Trust me on that. Competitor analysis, everything we'll be doing. SWOT analysis, special analysis, matrices, everything. 100% of all the concepts which is there in ICAI, you have to study. Don't miss out anything and tell yourself FM 50 marks, SM 50 marks. Whatever time I'm allocating for FM, I am going to allocate for SM also. I always tell in my class, SM is the most interesting subject and people who attended my class will definitely tell me, yes ma'am, SM, I enjoyed the class so much because that is how you have to learn this subject. This is not a dry subject. This is one of the most interesting subjects. If you ask me in the entire group 2, the most interesting subject I will say is SM only because when you keep talking about life, when you keep talking about the mistakes that you make, how did you come out of that mistake? How did you analyze that mistake? Was it a mistake in the first place? All of these analysis we will be doing in class. So that is SM. So don't leave these subjects. Do not skip any of these chapters. I am telling including the fifth chapter, where many people will tell, ma'am, fifth chapter is very big chapter. So what? If it is very big, that means it is more fun. Please divert your mind, change your mindset in that way. And yes, guys, let's enjoy strategic management together. Don't skip these things.